What foods or drinks are good for lung health? God bless all the people of Los Angeles and what they went through. The same can be said about Lahaina and any of these other directed energy weapon, smart meter fires that we've seen pushing people out of the nature corridors or the corridors of control. God bless everyone. This is one of the reasons why I left California. The level of dysfunction and deliberate dysfunctional harm that was put on the people. So, in saying that, what can you do for your lungs? What can you do for your lungs to clear them out, to keep them clean, to keep them healthy, to detoxify the heavy metals, the smoke, etc.? I specialize in cleanse and detox for many years. I recommend everyone at this stage of human history practice some form of cleanse and detox, fasting, juice cleansing, herbal flushing, liver cleansing, parasite cleanse, multiple times per year, at least twice a year, cleaning out the system, cleaning the blood, etc. One of the best things for your lungs is this formula here. Iridology Haley on Instagram. This is her formula for the respiratory system. It is mullein leaf, coltsfoot, cherry bark, calendula, marshmallow root, pine needles, red clover blossom, ginger root, peppermint, and eucalyptus leaf. These are all excellent for the lungs. You can actually put eucalyptus essential oils directly on the chest. Peppermint can be said the same. Marshmallow root and mullein, any kind of tea, or if you can harvest those herbs out in nature yourself and make a tea and drink it, it will help to clear the mucus out of the body. Another excellent herb, two excellent herbs that are very natural and very prevalent to clean the blood and clear out the body always and forever, is garlic. Raw garlic, couple cloves of this, chuck it down the neck, see what happens. It'll kill candida. You'll have a great poop the next day, etc. You can actually use this as a suppository as well. And so the garlic clears up any excess mucus, virus, fungus. This is one of the best antiviral foods out there on the planet. Cayenne is another blood purifier. It stimulates the blood and the blood flow. Everything in healing represents blood flow, chi flow, lymph flow, so moving the body. You can also jump up and down if you don't have a trampoline or your quantum imaginary jump rope, right? You can jump up and down, just up and down. That is going to jiggle your lymph. Taking some cayenne is going to help. This is Oregaresp for your respiratory system. This is oregano oil from my friends at North American Herb and Spice. This is also an excellent product. Here is the Dr. Schultz Cayenne. This is 250,000 heat units. Your average one is about 90,000. And so this will light you on fire. This will light your butthole on fire the next day as well. So this will clear out the system. Here is pure ginger right here. Ginger, turmeric. These are excellent for anti-inflammatories and just really clearing out the body. Very spicy. This garlic, cayenne, very spicy. It's going to stimulate your juices inside your body, blood, lymph, chi, etc. This is fulvic zeolite. If you're breathing in any type of smoke, fires, etc., you're dealing with housing materials and smoke that has heavy metals in it. This is fulvic zeolite. This absorbs and takes out of your body heavy metals, etc. This is excellent for that. Cracked chlorella is known to take heavy metals out of the body as well. Make sure you get a good source. This is from my Superfoods store. It is organic cracked chlorella. You can also get it in tablets. You take 15 to 20 tablets a day, or you can take up to a tablespoon. This also has greens in it, which has superoxide dismutase, energy from the sun that allows the cells to replicate properly. This is the green spectrum product from my Superfoods store as well. This has the sprouted broccoli sprouts, which are excellent for the sulforaphane, which is also great for detoxification. Many different things, and to really scrub the body at the cellular level, all sorts of greens. And then, of course, the very tasty power shake that has wheatgrass, spirulina. Greens are natural detoxifiers, constantly cleaning the body and the blood. And for a deeper cleanse, I recommend doing the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation. This has all those ingredients and so much more. This is going to clean the blood, the liver, the colon, etc. Get that smoke out of the body. And for upper respiratory issues, you can always use the South American tobacco snuff called Hape. This is a great way to clear the upper respiratory, the nasal passages, and the sinuses. There are many things to clean the body. If you have some suggestions, please write it in the comments below. Again, God bless everyone out in Los Angeles, Lahaina, Northern California, Malibu, the fires in 2018. There were fires in Canada last year as well. It is the great smokeout, the great reset, the WEF reset. God bless everyone out there. Stay vigilant, and if you can opt out of the smart meters, get an analog meter on your house and paint your roof blue.